In previous class, I explained about Pythagoras theorem, Pythagorean triplets. Now these two concepts already has completed. Now today I am going to explain about construction of triangle. Construction of triangles. First key heading, construction of triangles. Construction of triangles. Construction of triangles. Construction of triangles. In your syllabus, students, there are four construction are there. First construction is side construction. Second is side angle side construction, and third is angle side angle construction, and last construction is RHS construction. There are four construction are there in your syllabus. First construction we are going to do triple S construction. Triple S, side side side. It is called triple S. Triple S construction. Side construction. There is no concept, students, in the construction. Depends on question, we will change the steps. But how to do construction? With the help of compass and protractor and scale, we are going to do constructions. There are two ways are there to the construction. First way is there. First, step by step we'll do construction, and step by step we'll write the steps. Second way is there. Finally, we want to draw one figure. After that, we will write the steps. Second way is the easy way. Now down example 1. If they have given three sides, then how to do construction? Example 1. Construct a triangle. Construct a triangle ABC. Construct a triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and CA is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Construct a triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and CA is equal to 4.5 centimeter. All students stop writing, concentrate here. Stop writing, everyone. Concentrate here. When we are doing any construction, when we are going to do any construction, firstly, I want to draw rough sketch. Firstly, I want to draw rough sketch. Listen carefully. Firstly, I want to draw rough sketch. If you know rough sketch, you can draw figure very easily. Rough sketch means roughly I am drawing this figure. I will get that idea. This is A, B, C. AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter. BC is equal to 6 centimeter. And CA is equal to 4.5 centimeter. This triangle we are going to do construct. How to construct? First, what is base? I always will start from the base. Base is what? BC. BC I want to draw 6 centimeter. Stop writing, student, concentrate here. Don't write anything. Firstly, I want to draw line segment. Line segment BC is equal to 6 centimeter. With the help of scale, we want to draw 6 centimeter. This is BC. Listen carefully, student, don't write. 6 centimeter. With the help of scale, I have drawn 6 centimeter. Now 5.5 centimeter is there and 4.5 centimeter is there. I want to take B as a center. Listen carefully, everyone. Listen carefully. What is the name of this? This is called what? Compass. Left side, this is called metal point. This point is called metal point, and this is called what? We are inserting pencil there. This point is called metal point. This point is called metal point. Yes. This point is called metal point. Now how to do? Concentrate. I think it will not go. Right. I want to take B as a center, draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. Take B as a center, draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. Don't confuse. 5.5, 6, 4.5. Listen carefully, everyone. This was the 5.5. A, B, C, 6 centimeter. This was 4.5. This is the question, student. Right. Firstly, I want to draw one line segment BC 6 centimeter. Concentrate, everyone. This construction is very easy construction. Don't worry. BC 6 centimeter. Now take B as a center. Draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. I took 5.5 centimeter arc. I want to keep my metal point at point B. I want to keep my metal point at point B. I kept my metal point at point B. Draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. Draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. Completed. Next, again, take C as a center. Draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. 4.5. 4.5. I want to keep my metal point at point C. I want to keep my metal point at point 3. Draw an arc of radius. Draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Now both arcs are intersecting at point. The point name is called A point. Now join AB and AC. This is the ABCD is the required triangle. Start drawing, everyone. With the help of scale, we can join AB, and with the help of scale, I can join AB This is construction of ABC, triangle ABC. This length is 6 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, and 5.5 centimeter. This line don't die, student. Step 1, draw line segment BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Step 1, draw line segment BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Step 2, take B as a center. Take B as a center. Center spelling CENTRE, not ER. Take B as a center. Draw an arc of radius. Draw an arc of radius. Draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter by using compass. Step 3, take C as a center. Take C as a center. Draw an arc of radius. Draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter at point A. Step 4, join join AB and AC. Join AB and AC. Hence, ABC is the required triangle. Write clearly everyone steps. You can write our own steps also, student. There is no problem. Okay. But figure is very, very important, student. Note down clearly, student. Yes. Example 2. Construct a triangle PQR. Construct a triangle PQR such that construct a triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to capital letter 4.5 centimeter, comma QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and M angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. What is M here? Measurement of angle PQR. M is measurement, don't confuse. Sometimes they are giving M, and without M also they are giving sometimes. Measurement of angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. Firstly, I want to draw a rough sketch. PQ is 4.5 centimeter and QR is 6.5 centimeter. Next, angle PQR, measuring angle PQR means this angle is 60 degree. Now I am going to do construction. Firstly, we give 10 line gaps student. Draw one line segment QR 6.5 centimeter. Give 10 line gaps. Draw one line segment QR 6.5 centimeter. QR 6.5 centimeter. Now I want to take Q as a center, construct 60 degree angle by using protractor. I want to construct 60 degree angle by using protractor. Sixty degree angle by using protractor. Sixty degree angle by using protractor. Now take Q as a center, draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter at point P. Take Q as a center, take Q as a center, draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Take Q as a center, draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Now this point name is P. Now join P point and R point. Now I want to measure what is the length of PR. It is coming 4.56, 4.6, 4.7, 4.7 centimeter. Step 1, draw line segment QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Yes, step 1, draw a line segment QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Draw line segment QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Step 2, take Q as a center. Take Q as a center. Draw and, sorry, take Q as a center. Construct 60-degree angle. Step 3. Step 3. With Q as a center. With Q as a center. Center spelling CENTRE, not ER. With Q as a center. And radius equal to 4.5 centimeter, comma, cut a small radius, cut a small arc, cut a small arc to meet QX at P. To meet QX at P. Step 4. Join PR. Hence, PQR is the required triangle.